What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Also I wanted to thank you guys for watching my TikTok videos and the shorts on Reels, whatever, on Facebook. It's doing really good, millions of views almost every day. I have over 1 million views videos, so that's a lot of fun. You guys follow me on Facebook or TikTok. I guess I'll put links in the description. It's doing amazing. This is like my third time blowing up, in a sense of like I'm going super popular, super viral. People recognize me again when that happens left and right. So wanted to just say thank you so much. I couldn't think or believe that that could be happening again. I started YouTube in 2009 and I hit the peak in 2016 and it was starting to go down, which is normal, about till 2019, and I started Facebook page and I made probably more views in that 1 or 2 years between 2019 to 2020. I made more views in 1 year than I did in 5 years, so that was my second boom. It was awesome, and it looks like I'm getting my third boom on TikTok and shorts, Reels on Facebook. Maybe I will integrate it into YouTube right now, but I want to keep it separate. So if you want to see my shorts, links in the description. It's doing amazing. Anyways, we got right here first gadget. We have a whole bunch of different type of gadgets. This is a milk carton for those gadgets that does not have the spout, and in Canada they don't. So this right here, imagine, all I'm asking you is like a simple imagination right here. It opens like this, and then you can open the carton, and then the spout will not be here, so you have now right here a handle, and that way you can pour the coffee easily. Boom, add on to your coffee, and once you're done with it, you close it and cover it up. Boom, and that way the milk stays good. So this is how it works. You put it through and this will lock in here. Don't open both sides. I made a mistake. Just open one side and just open the milk, and then you have a handle here and you can pour it. Boom, very comfortable. And then whenever we want to put it away, boom, cover it back up, put it away. Guac Lock, let's see what it's all about. So you put your guacamole in here, then we're gonna put the cover back on, lock it, and we'll lock it. And as you know, as guacamole touches the air, it will go bad quickly. So let's, ooh, look at that. Oh, and there's no guacamole touching the air. So whenever you open it up, take up a scoop back on, and again cover it back up and squish it up. You kind of want to remove from the tray because it will squish it out. Well, lesson learned. Got it here, a soda pump, a new one. Let's see what it's about. So let's say you took a cup of soda out of those big bottles and you don't want air to go inside there because it will go flat. There's actually also a date you can set too, as a reminder. Doesn't seem like working. Okay, let's start this one. Same thing but different color. Let's go, don't try to pump it up. Alright, that works. That one was faulty, but wow, that pumped it up fast. So it is pressurized now to the point I cannot even squish it that hard. Okay, now let's see if the lid is going to hold up. Okay, good. Holding up really good, and oh yeah, it's definitely holding it very good. Look at that. It's highly pressurized. And pump it up so we don't waste any bubbles. Ice cream sandwich maker, check this out. So got my ice cream and then just fill it in like this, just cut it, and then you can actually mix it up and go all the way down, have some hot water or whatever. But also you can grab a cookie and then cut that with the cookie. Boom, then we have ice cream, and then squish the ice cream, and then we can have a different ice cream, and then remove, and then another ice cream and squish it down. Maybe should have left a little bit of space for cookie. Then push this down and then remove it. Boom, nice. And then we have right here really thick ice cream sandwich. Let's try this again, but make it a little bit shorter. Okay, round 2. Cookie. Maybe 1 layer of ice cream. Just a little bit. And then another cookie. And squish. And then push this down. And remove. And we have right here really nice cookie ice cream. Okay, that's probably best. Really good. Got right here interesting onion slicer. I don't know. Let's start with this one. So push it through. Wow. And I think it would be really good for salads and things like that. Check this out. I got it here a very unique chopper to make chops like this. So nice, not too sharp. You can put 2 eggs in here. Boom. Wow, that chopped well. Probably grab it this way and pull it out. That is easy. You can do this with the strawberry. Ooh, you know what? I just realized you can lift it up and lift this up and remove it. That is also easy. Wow. And let's try this with the hot dog. So you can use it for many ways of doing it. And then you can just lift it up and get it out. Look at that. Perfectly hot dogs. So that the kids actually can chew it. Love it. Corn on a cob peeler. Let's see. Looks like we gotta go this way. Oh yeah. That is good. Look at that. It's like as good as a shaver. A bit uncomfortable, but we got this. Okay, let's see if I could do this second time a bit better. Okay, nice. That's pretty awesome. Not too deep. I love it. There you go. And we have nice chopped up corn. It's pretty good, and it folds for less storage. This is quail eggs opener. So we got right here quail eggs, and I love quail eggs, but they're really hard to break. If you use a knife, as you can see, they don't really break. It is like, in a sense, kind of like has this, I don't know, like rubbery thing on it. I love quail eggs, but they're so hard to open it. So this is why there's an easy gadget to make. Just boom, cut it open. There you go, and keep on going. I'm not gonna waste too many quail eggs. They're super nice, very healthy for you, very nutrition. I guess they're more expensive because you need almost a pack to have a little breakfast, you know, but so worth it. When there was egg shortage, nobody wanted those ones, so I definitely bought more of that. Yeah, awesome. My kids love it because they call them mini eggs.